Great day, beautiful people. Today we're going to be talking about the heart chakra. And right here in front of you, as you see, is a crystal singing bowl. And the symbol that you see inside is the heart chakra symbol. So I'm going to play it with two different mallets to show you the difference. We have this one here, and we have this one here. Okay, I'm going to play with both, but we're going to talk a little bit about the heart chakra before we get into playing the bowl. So the heart chakra is the thymus gland. Everybody knows the heart, thymus gland. And the color of this chakra is green. The element of this chakra is the air element. So in the air, like love is in the air. The way you express your emotions, your feelings comes from the heart. And the note that this bowl plays is a F note. So with this particular chakra, it is the I love chakra. I love, I receive love. Everything in regards to love comes from this chakra. The way you give it out and the way you receive it. This chakra can be imbalanced. And when it's imbalanced, it will cause jealousy, overly defensive, codependency, and reclusiveness. Right? When it is balanced, it causes you to feel compassionate and the ability to love, and you feel peaceful. Now, the different stones that align with this chakra and to get this chakra in balance that you can use is green aventurine, which I did a video and I will be releasing that video, I think, next week. Works best with the heart chakra. The good luck stone, known as the stone of opportunity. Other stones that you can use if you can't find a green aventurine. And I have stones available if you would like to purchase those as well. Crystals is green calcite, jade, and rose quartz. So those are also stones that works well with balancing the actual heart chakra. Okay. So when you hear people in meditation, and I spoke to you guys about this when we talked about the root chakra, and you hear them say om, nam, those different vibrations of sound are connected to the words I love. So I love is Y-A-M. And in meditation, it's more of a So it's a yum, yum is what you would be giving off in regards to meditating when you're trying to balance your heart chakra. So let's get into the heart chakra and play it and let you see how it sounds. So we're going to start off with this mallet, and we're just going to go around. That you hear is an F note, and usually the notes will mimic the actual meditation vibration sounds, like yum. So let's play it again. Now with the same mallet, if I were just to hit it, you will still hear that sound resonating through the bowl. I'm going to go around it one more time. All right, we're going to go with this one. this was very informative for you if you are getting into meditation, or if you are already meditating and did not know too much about the chakras. Now, we have 7 that most people, now I'm not going to say most, but some people know about if they're into meditating. Then there's another 12 that most people don't know about, but there are 114 different chakras. Do your research and do some Googling. So yeah, it gets really, really in depth with you getting the inner knowing for self and the powers that we possess, and just our connection to the universe and all. So I hope this was helpful. If so, make sure you thumbs up the video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are alerted when I put up new videos. And I want you to know that you're the most important person in your life. Without you, nothing exists. And stick to your script, because you are the best at it. And I shall see you guys later, Gators.